All right, welcome back. And in this short video, I'm going to show you how to generate some optimized SEO blog post titles that will work really well for your content. So one of the things that I like to do here is to train ChatGPT first and source out some good blog post headlines from an authoritative source. One of those is going to be HubSpot. So I searched for this and found this great blog post about this, which gives us 13 types of blog headlines. So based upon what they find in their research, generated some really good types of headlines, and they will be like the best make my life easier headlines, it's a raise if I were you, etc. And they do actually outline some examples of these things in the information below. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this article. So you could just scroll through here and then just copy it like that. And then you can go into ChatGPT. And what we can do is paste that in there. Now, I already put in the headline here that I want. So I put in here, I want you to read through an article. And once you have, tell me okay. And then I actually pasted in the article that I just pulled from HubSpot. So once we click that, okay, and so now it has done so. And then what we're going to do now is to generate a list of potential blog post titles based on the recommendations from the article. Use the main keyword topic. Let's say, for example, I'm going to do this with copy machines. Okay. So what it's going to do is it's going to use the information that we had trained it with, which was in the article here, and generating a list of potential blog post titles. We'll hit enter. We'll let it do its thing. And now we're seeing some very good options for SEO optimized blog post titles that are interesting, unique content angles, and of course utilize some of those things that we had seen earlier. The best coffee machines for home brewing, make your mornings easier, the fastest way to brew delicious coffee. If I were you, I'd invest in coffee machines for the ultimate brewing experience, etc. So these are new ways that you can actually generate some awesome ideas for blog post titles, not only including the keyword, which is very important, but you also need to make sure that they are going to generate a high click-through rate. So always as a rule of thumb, train ChatGPT first with some information and then ask it to use that information to generate what it is that you want. And of course, we could always tell it to create more until we flesh out all of our topic ideas and create some awesome headlines that are going to generate a lot of traffic. So if you like this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and of course, subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time a new video comes up and you can achieve a greater degree of success, especially if you are a how-toer with AI. Thanks for watching.